Okay, this video is a little quick tip on how to have a power feed for your cross slide. So what I did, I just made this little bracket right here, drilled a 1/4-inch hole, put a couple nuts on it, and this enables me to have a power feed. So anybody with one of these lathes knows that in order to change the compound, you've got to back this thing way off. And then that enables you to get to these screws in here. What is it? Right there, in order to adjust the angle. So that's just a quick little fix, quick tip, and it seems to be working okay, and hope you like that tip. I really wouldn't use that for when I'm turning metal with this thing. I just want to be able to use this in order to change the compound angle. Hope you like the idea of these 2 set screws that are down in there. I got the tool out of there now, the cutting tool. And yeah, you loosen these 2 up, and then you can change the angle any way that you want. And then you just come back here again with the power drill on here, and that makes it go a lot faster. Okay, so it's a little bit more detail. By the way, this is a Grizzly G0768. And yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with this little lathe.